Hello, today we're going to learn how to import a particle system into Nuke to achieve a result like this. So let's jump into Nuke. And this time I will only explain the setup because it's quite complicated and would take a bit of time if I will do it from the beginning step by step. So the base here is the same scene that we have been using in the previous few lessons. That consists of a box, a wall and a floor and a tracked camera. And I have also added a light source to make it a little bit more realistic. And for the particles, these are packed in a single EXR image with 16-bit half float. And each pixel here, as you can see in the sampler, has the red, green, blue and alpha, and the red, green, blue are the XYZ coordinates of one particle. So each pixel represents one particle. And this is 2000 by 1000. And this contains all 100 frames of this particle animation. And each frame is one slice of this image. So the first step here is to slice up the image using a crop node. And I am using expressions based on the frame number T to find the right slice. And you can see here that this slice will move for each frame and select one slice containing 20,000 particles. And once we have one slice like this, then we turn this into points using a PositionToPoints node with, let me zoom in on this, with the surface point set to RGB. And now if we play this, you can see we have an animated particle system with a lot of points. And the next step here is I apply a material to it and then render this in a scanline renderer. And then add a little bit of a grade and fix. Let me show this is quite important. So if we look at this step here, then sometimes we have a bug in the rendering. I think we can't see it now, but sometimes we will get streaks that goes outside, goes to the right and up. And to fix this, we need to use a BlackOutside node. So this will fix any bugs in the rendering. And then I do some blurring and some extra blurring and composite this on top of the relit camera tracked plate. And the result is what you see here. And you can see this renders in real time. So this is extremely fast. And this is our final result. I hope this was helpful and see you next time. Over and out.